It's Quinn and Cantera on PYX 106.
It's 1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Paul Harding on the horn, Cantera.
Morning, Paul.
Hey, good morning, guys.
This was big news yesterday, and it continues to be big news today. But our Attorney General Schneiderman filed suit against the Weinstein Company and Harvey Weinstein, his brothers, for New York's violations of New York's civil rights, human rights, and business laws.
Yeah.
Why is this such big news?
I heard it was because he wanted to sell the company or something.
Well, it looked like the company was going to be sold as early as Monday. So on Sunday, they filed that lawsuit against not only Harvey Weinstein, but the Weinstein Companies, just to make sure that if that sale goes through, whoever owns that company is going to also absorb any liability that could be out there for the victims of what seems to be an ever-unfolding list of people at those companies.
Of all things to cross my mind, the fact that a lawsuit was filed on Sunday, I was like, really? Did he file it Friday and the news broke on Sunday? Did he really do work on Sunday?
I don't know. The Attorney General can kind of do what they want. I really can't file anything on Sunday, right? It's really tricky. But when you're the Attorney General, you can sort of pull some things off. And in this case, my guess is it's a super complicated document that was served, and they maybe the timing of it, they may have just heard that the sale was being kind of pushed up, because this is not. It's rumors out there of this sale, right? No one says, "Hey, we're going to have a big closing on Monday or Tuesday." The word may have circulated, and they just burned some midnight oil and got it served.
So the company, is just going to be worth less if you're going to have to absorb all these lawsuits,
right. So they don't, there could be another lawsuit if they didn't stop it. Actually, if they paid too much for it, probably. Yeah,
the folks who were buying it sort of had said, "Look, we're going to set up. We recognize we're going to absorb some of this. We're going to set up a multi-million-dollar settlement fund." And the Attorney General just wants to make sure that there's enough there. But sure, they're calling this a fire sale. They're calling this something that 3 years ago the company might have sold for 7 or 10 times what this evaluation is. So, they're just trying to get out and salvage what they can.
And in this filing, we got some details, like things that Harvey Weinstein told to employees, like, "I will kill you. I will kill your family. You don't know what I can do." Oh, he wasn't a nice fella.
Hiring Mossad agents to track his ladies around the world that he's already been with to make sure they don't talk. Yeah, that guy's a bad apple. Bad apple.
Creepy.
Is this going to go on for years, Paul?
Well, no, I think it's going to go on for a couple of years. This claim here, the Attorney General lawsuit is going to be just make sure that there are funds sufficient to pay the victims. But the victims' claims are going to go on for some time, and then because they seem to keep adding up. When they think they've got a finite number, some other folks come forward.
Yeah. Hey, Paul, quick question off topic. Out there with the dog-friendly salt on the front walk yesterday, or the day before yesterday. Mm-hmm. Can I get sued if the UPS guy or the postal guy slips on my front walk as a homeowner?
Well, you actually can. Get storm in progress. Everyone's got to move around at their own peril. But after a couple days where you've got this sort of icy condition, if you haven't made it safe and you realize that there's a chance that you're going to have someone come to your house, you don't have to be an invited guest, just someone who comes to visit you and they get hurt. Absolutely. You could be on the hook. You got to do what's reasonable. You don't have to make sure every piece of ice is gone.
No, I do.
Well,
I don't need
good thing you don't have any visitors, though. Your
I do
mother-in-law's the only one.
We get UPS guys and
no, but I mean visitors, like friends coming over.
Chosen One's wife mom might stop by tonight. So
that's it. Yeah. All right.
Thanks,
Good info,
Paul.
We appreciate the time this morning.
Okay, guys.
It's
Take
Paul
care.
Harding, 1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com.
Quinn and Cantera in the morning.